Good morning. Scott Love with A to Z Insurance, your trusted choice independent agent. Today we want to talk about, where does insurance come from? Insurance actually started in early human society, whether in a barter and trade type economy or in a money-based economy with exchange of coins and money. An example of a barter trade form of insurance was early societies basically said if someone's house was destroyed, the neighbors were committed to help rebuild it. Or they would store up grain in large silos or granaries to overcome the catastrophic effects of a famine. In a money-based type economy, the Chinese and the Babylonians are recorded as far back as 3000 BC to take methods of insuring property, if you will. The Chinese would haul their goods down river rapids, and to lessen the risk that a boat would overturn and lose all the goods, they would actually spread out the risk by hauling the goods in several different boats. The Babylonians hauled their goods on the Mediterranean Sea, and they would have their merchants take out a loan with an agreement with the lender and pay the lender an additional payment, with the agreement that if the ship did not return, the payment would be canceled. The Greeks in the 4th century BC had a similar arrangement, and based on the time of year, they would charge more money, reflecting the fact that the more risk there is, the more you would charge. For example, if you know it was pirate season, like we would talk about today, we're around Somalia, or go into an area that's more dangerous, or a time of year with hurricanes, it was perceived to be more risky, and thus the lender would charge more money before he would loan the money to the ship captain. The Greeks and the Romans around the 6th century BC seemed to originate health and life insurance by setting up benevolent societies to take care of the needs of the survivors of deceased members of their group, and even to cover funeral expenses. The first insurance policy was instituted in 1347 in Genoa, Italy, and the first book was written about insurance in 1448 and published in 1552. And so insurance has been around a long time. It's been practiced in many ways. It's always been about people pooling their resources together to spread out risk. Next time we'll talk about the start of property insurance, which started around the 1600s. Thank you.